So, just a quick update. What's up, everybody? I've been a bit busy on off work, busy at home, having to do, homeowner stuff. Um, and, getting Christmas stuff done, Thanksgiving, blah, blah, blah. Anyway, so here's what's going on is, of course, I'm working on this thing, the Mini Cooper, and unfortunately, I hit a snag with it because that was supposed to be another review I'm working on right now. I'm working on that. It is an aftermarket lug nut that it's stripped out, and yeah, it's a whole other story. It's a huge pain in the ass. Don't recommend it. It was made of some crappy metal, and I want to take it off because I'm gonna have to change the sensor, and I need to take the axle shaft out to do it. So, anyway, that's that. Now, I was supposed to have a review up a week after the expedition. I did filming for Maverick. I was supposed to have that all done, but I've been having some issues. My laptop couldn't do it. Tried it on there. I actually did the expedition on there, and it was kind of But my PC cannot. It's given up on me. It can't. It can't handle the video editing, and since now I got high, I have higher quality camera now, and it can't handle it. So it unfortunately keeps crashing on me, and the hard drive's mess. It's goofy, always sitting at 100%. So that's not good. And yeah, my graphics card can't handle it anymore. It keeps crashing. My screens keep going black, and it's not good. So I I'm gonna have to try. I'm gonna try my best to get a new computer that will be able to handle it. It's not really the best time for me to do that because I'm not I'm not in the market to buy a new computer. I can't do that really. But I want to keep this channel going. I don't want to lose people. I love that, people keep subscribing. It's great. You know, I'm trying to improve my content as I go. When I do this, I do it kind of just freely. I just go with the flow. I might be a little goofy, I might be a little serious, I might be just completely bland because it all depends on how I'm feeling when I'm filming. All my babbling that goes, hours and hours of babbling that goes into 8 minutes, all the editing and whatnot. But yeah, So that's the update for that. Uh, Once I get a new computer, I should be able to just, with the editing, it's going to be a lot faster. So I will be able to actually, get stuff out. Because, like I said, I have that. Once I'm done drilling the hell out of this thing, this will be ready. I'm going to have, footage. I'm not going to stop recording footage. So I can, once I get the computer, I can start just, dishing it out. I would love to try to do things weekly. Especially, it's a shame because I had time off from work, but then I had to do repairs on this because I got to get that going, and then I had to do home. I had to close our pool that we have. I had to do a bunch of stuff. um, you guys don't even. I would love to just just buy cars, fix them, review them, send them on their way to whole happy new home. That would be great. If that was my job, I'd be happy every day. Anyway, case in point, there's going to be a bit of a delay. It sucks, especially because, I'm driving again, and now my computer decided to shit out on me. Thank you to my 281 subscribers. I think that's amazing that I'm gaining some people there. If you know some car people, send them my way. Like I said, my reviews, it can go any way because it's just I'm just going with whatever the flow. Uh, yeah. So I found a computer. I'm gonna try to see what I can do. But yeah, if you feel what's the word I'm looking for? Share. I can't even think of word. Anyway, if you feel good for the season, you want to help me out. I have a Patreon. I'll leave the link down below. You know, and whatnot. And I'll also I don't know if you want. I'll leave you my Venmo if you want. Just leave me a comment. Let me know. If you want to help me out, I greatly appreciate it. Anyway, if I missed it. Happy Thanksgiving, and also if I can't get this thing done, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. But I'm hoping I can do that before that. But don't worry, content will be coming. All right, I'll see you guys later.